Welcome to your micro-mindfulness meditation, a 5-minute daily calm practice designed to bring peace into your busy day. In our fast-paced world, finding moments of tranquility is essential for busy professionals, students, and anyone seeking quick daily relaxation. This short practice will guide you to reconnect with your inner calm, helping you navigate daily stresses with greater ease. Let's begin by finding a comfortable position, whether you are seated at your desk or relaxing in a quiet space. Gently close your eyes or soften your gaze, allowing your shoulders to relax and your body to settle. Now, bring your awareness to your breath. Notice the natural rhythm of each inhale and exhale. Feel the air entering your nostrils, filling your lungs, and then slowly leaving your body. Take a deep breath in through your nose, feeling your abdomen expand, and then slowly exhale through your mouth. Repeat this deep breathing, inhaling deeply and exhaling completely, releasing any tension with each breath. As you breathe, imagine a wave of calm washing over you, starting from the top of your head and moving down to your toes. Let go of any thoughts that arise, simply observing them without judgment, and then returning your focus to your breath. Each breath is an anchor, grounding you in the present moment, away from distractions. Feel the gentle rise and fall of your chest, the subtle sensations in your body as you continue to breathe deeply. Allow yourself to fully inhabit this moment, letting go of past worries and future anxieties. This is your time to simply be, to rest in the stillness that your breath provides. Now we will enter a silent segment, allowing you to immerse yourself in the calming sounds of nature. Let the sounds of birds, wind, and flowing water deepen your sense of peace. Simply listen without needing to identify or analyze, just allowing the sounds to wash over you. Feel the gentle breeze on your skin, hear the rustling of leaves, and the distant murmur of water. These natural elements are here to support your journey into deeper relaxation. Allow your mind to drift, gently held by the embrace of nature's symphony. Each sound is a reminder of the world's inherent tranquility, a peace that resides within you too. Let this moment of quiet contemplation rejuvenate your spirit and calm your mind. As we gently transition back, slowly bring your awareness back to your body and the space around you. Wiggle your fingers and toes, feeling the connection to your physical self. When you're ready, slowly open your eyes, bringing this newfound calm into your day. Remember, you can return to this micro-mindfulness practice anytime you need a moment of peace. Carry this tranquility with you, allowing it to influence your interactions and decisions. Even a few minutes of mindfulness can make a significant difference in your overall well-being. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. May your day be filled with calm and clarity.